is swinging from a tall green tree. A parrot squawks and flutters by, and a butterfly lands on his eye. With a toot-toot here and a stomp-stomp there, wiggling his ears in the warm soft air. Tiny feet go pitter-pat, little elephant's happy like that. Down to the river he makes a splash, sprays his trunk with a mighty dash, rolling and tumbling in the cool